Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm working on a 2012 Jeep Patriot. The customer is getting these codes, plus a couple of other ones, one for AC, circuit, open, and maps or intake, runner, circuit open. So all these codes have to do with a ground wire that is gonna be down beside this. It's a very easy ground to get to. It's the black and white one. Literally, if you cut the end off of it and reattach it, that will clear out all these codes and your AC will start working. Obviously this is the quick fix right here, just to do a butt connector. Realistically, you'd want to replace all the bad stuff. So stuff like this, the customer ain't really gonna want to spend a lot of money on it. So for 50 bucks, we just clip the ends off and put it in like that, tape it up. But this will take care of your issues. Yeah, so check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe.